Hi! In front of me is Microsoft Surface Pro 8 and today I would like to show you how you can manage app permissions on this device. Begin by opening Settings. In Settings, you need to choose Privacy and Security, scroll down and tap on one of those app permissions, in my case, Location. Now just tap on the switcher next to an app that you wish to manage. For example, if I click on this switcher next to Maps, Maps just gained access to this device location. If you wish to deny it, click on this same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!